Hello dear students, welcome to my online English class. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by His mercy. Dear students, I am MD Shaharja Biplab, Assistant Teacher English, Gaibandha Gulf Boys High School, Gaibandha. Dear students, today I am going to discuss a simple passage from the textbook of class 9 and 10. So, the students of class 9 and 10 are especially welcome to my today's class, and I hope if you watch the class attentively, you must be benefited from today's class. So, dear students, let's start our today's class. First of all, you are asked, that means I am asking you have to say, what do you see in the picture? Describe it. Dear students, I am sure you know this is the picture of Statue of Liberty. This is one of the World Heritages. So, our today's topic is the Statue of Liberty, Unit 8, Lesson 3. So, dear students, before going to study the text, we should have learned the meaning of the words or important words or keywords from the text. And then it will be easier on the part of us to catch the meaning of the text easily. So, first of all, we will try to learn the meaning of some important words or keywords. First word is assigned. You are watching the word. This is the very important word, assigned. The meaning of the word is allotted, endowed. If we make the sentence with this, then the sentence may be. That means I have taken the sentence from the passage. So if you read the line or sentence, and it will be easier on the part of you to learn the meaning of the passage also. Bartholdi was assigned to design the sculpture or Statue of Liberty. Our next word, assemble. What is the meaning of the word assemble? Assemble means fit together the separate parts of machine or other objects or something. It took 4 months to assemble the statue together. Pedestal. What is the meaning of the word pedestal? Pedestal means base or pavement. That means you are watching the picture of the pedestal on which the Statue of Liberty stands. The people of the USA built the pedestal for the statue. The next word is unveiling. Unveiling means inaugural, openness, revelation. Thousands of people saw the unveiling ceremony of the Statue of Liberty on October 28, 1886. Crates. That means you have already got the idea. Crates means box. That means cases in which something is buried. 214 crates or boxes were needed to carry the parts of statue. Access. Access means entry, entrance, door, gate. That means you are watching the entrance of the Statue of Liberty. That means the way the door. This is the entrance of the Statue of Liberty. So access means here in this passage, access means the entry or entrance. The entry to the torch has been closed since 1916. Stand for. The meaning of the phrase or group verb is mean, denote, symbolize. That means rose stands for love and romance. Stationary. We will have an important word in the passage, that is stationary. So we should learn the meaning of the passage. That is stationary meaning fixed, static, motionless. The statue is motionless. That means the statue is stationary. It cannot move. Now, dear students, we are going to read the passage. After going through the passage, we will try to answer some questions from multiple choice questions and WH questions. So, we should study or go through the text very minutely or deeply or with great attention. Then it will be easier on the part of us to answer the multiple choice question easily. So, let's go through the text. I hope you will also read with me. The French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi was assigned to design and complete a sculpture within 1876 so that it could be a gift for the Americans on the occasions of celebration the 100 years of the American Declaration of Independence. The statue was a joint venture between the USA and France. The French people would build the statue and assemble it the States, and the people of the USA were to build the pedestal for the statue. Raising money for the pedestal was completed in August 1885. The construction of the pedestal was finished in April 1886. The meantime, France completed the statue in July 1884. They sent it to New York on board the France warship Isor in 1885. While transporting the statue, it was split up into 350 individual pieces and packed in 241 crates. It took 4 months to put the statue together and place it on the pedestal. Thousands of people saw the unveiling ceremony of the Statue of Liberty on October 1886. It was centennial gift, 10 years left. The freedom that the statue stands for is not stationary. The broken chain wrapped around her feet, protruding the bottom of her robe, symbolizes her free forward movement, enlightening the world with her torch, free from oppression and slavery. The statue's original torch was the first part constructed in 1876. It was replaced by a new copper torch covered in 24-karat gold, lived in 1984. The torch is lighted by flat light at night. The original torch is currently located in the lobby of the monument. Access to the torch has been closed since 1916. From October 18, 2011, on her 125th anniversary, the Statue of Liberty was named Liberty, Enlightening the World Wide Web. The credit goes to a series of new webcams placed around her torch. Several amazing views will be just a click of mouse away. On clear days, 3 cameras provide unobstructed scenes and views. 2 cameras provide an ultra-wide angle interactive view of the famous golden torch. The remaining camera looks downwards towards the crown of the Statue of Liberty. Her face, the tablet she is holding from your computer or smartphone. So, a person can have access to the world webcams live feed of the Statue of Liberty from anywhere in the world. So, dear students, now we will try to answer some multiple choice questions as we have gone through the text and we have got some idea regarding the Statue of Liberty. We have already get some information about the Statue of Liberty. You will also, it is my suggestion to you to watch the video again, or you will read the text from your passage again and then try to answer the multiple choice question. Then it will be easier on the part of you. As I have a limited time, so I have gone through the text very quickly. It may be very difficult on the part of you to catch the meaning of the passage in this short time. So it is my suggestion to you to go through the text again. Now I will try my level best to answer the question. The statue was made for presenting the USA. The right answer is on its centennial celebration of liberation. Next question, the phrasal verb stands for. I have already given the meaning of the phrase stand for before starting the passage. So we will try our level best to answer the question. What will be the answer of the question? The meaning of the phrase stand for is means or meaning. What does the broken chain of the statue symbolize? We know there is a broken chain wrapped around the feet of the Statue of the Liberty. So it has a meaning, it has a symbolical meaning. So what is the symbol of the broken chain? The symbol of the broken chain is advancement of freedom. The word remaining means, what is the meaning of the word remaining? The meaning of the word remaining, the right answer is rest of. Assign. The word assign means authorize, to give power to somebody to do something. It was installed dash years after the scheduled date. That means the Statue of Liberty was installed on the pedestal in New York after 10 years. That means 10 years after the scheduled date. What is the purpose of the author of this passage? The purpose of the author is to highlight the Statue of Liberty and its donation. So dear students, I will give you some WH questions or open-ended questions. You have to answer this. You will try your level best to answer the question. I will not give you the answer now, but you will try your level best to answer the question. The first question is, on what occasion did the French government give the Statue of Liberty to the USA? You will try your level best to answer the question. Today I will not give you the answer. When did she reach her destination? That means when did the Statue of Liberty reach in USA? How was she transported? That means how was the Statue of Liberty carried or taken to New York? You have to answer the question. How has new technology made it possible for people to see the Statue of Liberty from anywhere they are? That means you have to answer the question. how we, the people of the world, can watch the Statue of Liberty sitting in their own home or houses by the help of internet. Please try to answer the question by yourself. What do you understand by the expression enlightening the world? You have to answer the question. So I will not give you the answer today. You will try your level best, and if I take another class, I will give you the answer and you will match the answer with my own then. So today I am ending here. Thank you very much. Thank you all.